Hi, thank you for your interest in our eMoMo remote controller. This remote controller has a lot of different versions, and they are not cross-compatible. As you can see, different versions will have different control panels. Different plugs. And different wires. To ensure that you receive the correct version, we need you to provide the serial number of the remote controller. The serial number can be found at the backside of the remote controller. It is a set of codes starting with NHX03. Please enter this code into the order notes when you place the order, or send it to us by email. We have found that the sticker on many customers' remote controllers has faded or fallen off due to long-term use. It is impossible to read the serial number from the remote controller. But don't worry, you can find it on the junction box of the chair. The junction box is also known as the control box. It is usually located in the basement of the recliner. It is a black plastic box with which all the electronic components are connected. If you turn the recliner over, you can find it easily by following the wires. On the junction box, there is a sticker that is exactly the same as the serial number on the controller. Provide the serial number on the sticker and we will be able to find the right remote controller for you.